Numberblock fans! Welcome to my YouTube channel Super Creative Numberblock Zone. In today's video, I will show you how to rebuild the Numberblocks Mathlink Cubes Part 9 from 56 to 60. Well, anyways, let's begin with the Numberblock 56. Numberblock 56 is made of 50 light blue blocks and 6 indigo blocks. Numberblock 56 is made of 8 by 7 or 7 by 8, which means she's the 8th member of the Rainbow 7 Club, or also the 7th Octo Alert, the 7th member of the Octo Alert, by using the octagon shape with a rainbow, and they wrote the number 7 on. Well, Numberblock 56 has 6 arms, just like Numberblock 8. And her face, it looks like Numberblock 8 too, right? Yeah. Well, Numberblock 56, anyways, Numberblock 56 is made of 50 light blue blocks and 6 indigo blocks, because 50 plus 6 is 56. We can recognize her by rainbow at the edges of her pink glasses, pink hero glasses, because pink means 8 and rainbow means 7, which means 8 times 7 or 7 times 8 is 56. Well, Numberblock 56 can split into rainbow 7 8s. First 8 is red, second 8 is orange, third 8 is yellow, fourth 8 is green, fifth 8 is blue, sixth 8 is indigo, and seventh 8. And the 7th 8 or the last 8 is violet or lilac. Phew. Well, Numberblock 56 has 50 light blue blocks and 6 indigo blocks on top by laying 3 blocks wide and 2 blocks tall of the Numberblock 6. Because 50 plus 6 is 56, but not all. You can also make the Numberblock 56 like using 7 by 8, yeah. Well, anyways, the blocks are finished. Let's make a magic. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here is the Numberblock 56. Well, Numberblock 56 is finished. Let's continue to the Numberblock 57. Alright, let's next up to the Numberblock 57. Numberblock 57 is made of 50 light blue blocks and 7 rainbow blocks. But not all, not 50, just only 50 plus 7, which means she's made of 3 by 19 or 19 by 3, or we can call 19 threes or 3 19s. I made the Numberblock 57 by like a cross, using first we do 11 blocks tall first, like 3 by 11 first. Then we just put the another rectangle at the middle, like this. First doing like 11 by 3 first, like Numberblock 33, but not 33. I made 57 like a cross. Alright, like this. Oopsie. Oh. The blocks is it's too many, so which means it took little long. I want to put the speed up. First we do like 3 by 11. Oh. Alright. Alright. The 11 by 3 is finished. Well, let's put at the middle one. No, put the blue, green, and yellow. Like this. Oopsie. Wait, it just... If you can also make the number block 57 like using 19 by 3, a 3 by 19 or 19 by 3, but I don't like too tall. I like shorter, not too tall. I like shorter. It's a little shorter, can be easier to see it, and it's easier to stand it. Well, we need only 3 blocks left to make 57, 55, 56, and 57. Wow, like a cross, like a plus sign, right? Well, let's do a magic again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here's the finish of the number block 57. Let's continue to build the number block 58. Alright, let's continue to build the number block 58. Number block 58 is made of 50 light blue blocks and 8 pink blocks. Well, number block 58, I made like a bunny or a rabbit. Her face is like a rabbit, not the badge. I made my own. It's my own decoration. I made her like a rabbit or a bunny because I love rabbits sometimes, so that's why I made like a rabbit. Well, the faceplate, all of the faceplates are gone, so that's why I use the stickers instead. Well, anyways, sorry. Phew, the camera is falling down. Well, anyways, the faceplates are gone, so I use the stickers instead by using her face like a bunny. But the old faceplate is look like an Asian, right? Yeah. Anyways, number block 58 is also made of 2 29s. Well, number block 29 is a badges. It's the loves clubs. Well, but I like the 58 by using rabbits. Well, the number block 50 is finished. Then we add 8 more to make 58. Oopsie. And we need only 8 blocks more to make 58. And here, put it on the top by laying the number block 8 with 5 blocks wide. And let's make a magic. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! The number block 58 is finished. Let's continue to the number block 59. Alright, let's move on to the number block 59. Number block 59 is made of 50 light blue blocks and 9 gray blocks. I made number block 59 with splats and also with a clock too. Do you know why do I put the clock on the number block 59? Yes, that's right. It's because 1 minute has 60 seconds. And the 59 is the last second in 1 minute. we count from 0 to 59 equals 1 lap. Well, 1 lap is 60 seconds, and 60 seconds has is 1 minute, which means 0 is the first second in 1 minute, and the 59 is the last second in 1 minute, or in 1 lap, if I call it easier. And I've already made the 9 blocks, and the 59 is finished. Let's do a magic again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Number block 59 is finished, which means he loves to paint because he's the 17th member of the Prime Club. Well, anyways, number block 59 is finished, and let's move to the number block 60, which is the last number block in this video. Alright, let's go to the last one, is 60. Number block 60 is made of 60 light indigo blocks, which means she's made of 6 tens or 10 sixes. Well, number block 60 is a super gamer. Her dice is very different from the number block 6. Do you know what is it? It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Well, if you compare the number block 6 and 60, you see the number block 6 always throw the dice which points up to the number 6. But 60, when she throws the dice points up to the number 60. She's like the number block 6 but bigger. That's why you see her eyes like number block 6 but larger. Well, I want to buy the Numberblocks Mathlink Cubes Heroes with Zeros, but I don't know. But let's just see at the next video. I don't know, not next video, about more and more at the future of the video. Well, anyways, don't think about Heroes with Zeros. The Numberblocks 60 is finished. Let's do a magic again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This is the number block 60. Let's review all of the number blocks that we've made today. Alright, let's review the number blocks that we made today, including number block 56, number block 57, number block 58, number block 59, and the last one is number block 60. Alright, this is the end of this video, how to rebuild the number blocks 0 to 100 part 9. Oh yes, part 9. Well, if you like it, you can click like, subscribe, and click the button below. Well, let me ask you a question. Which one do you like the most? 56, 57, 58, 59, or 60? Leave the comments. Well, anyway, see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Bye.